This doesn't feel like a traditional bank anymore.
That's because modern money isn't stored, hand. It's designed.
Most people blame money mistakes on bad timing.
When the real issue was never having a system.
So budgeting isn't about cutting back?
It's about knowing exactly where every dollar is supposed to go.
Debt always felt impossible to escape.
Until automation took emotion out of the process.
This grows slower than people expect.
Fact.
And faster than they ever imagine.
Half bite if they wait.
So what actually makes sense to invest in for 2026?
Infrastructure, PRINs, the systems everything else depends on.
Everyone wants to build artificial intelligence. The smarter play is helping businesses actually use it.
Funny how the future still needs hands-on work. Oh.
Essential services never disappear. They just evolve.
One paycheck used to be enough.
Now resilience comes from having options.
Growth means nothing without protection.
Strong credit keeps opportunity affordable.
So money isn't really the goal.
Progress is learning from mistakes, and making smarter ones.
That's how money grows forward.
With intention, patience, and progress.